In this video, we will adjust the bin widths on a histogram in Excel. If you need to create the histogram chart, check out the link in the description below. If you need to change the number of bins or the bin width, then we need to open the formatting sidebar. One way to do this is to first click on the chart and then click on the horizontal axis of the chart. Now right click and choose Format Axis. This should open the formatting sidebar. In the formatting sidebar that appears, click the three bars to open Axis Options. Now you can select the bin width and also change the bin width, or you can select the number of bins and then change how many bins are shown. Let's do that. So here I've selected the bin width. I'm going to change the bin width to 100 and hit enter. You can see that my chart has changed. Or I could choose a number of bins. Let's increase the number of bins to 30 and hit enter. And that's how you can change the bin width or the bin size on a histogram in Excel.